Celebrity feuds have become a staple of modern entertainment, but sometimes these conflicts escalate beyond social media spats and tabloid headlines. When A-list arguments spill into the courtroom, the stakes are high, and the public is left captivated by the drama. Prepare to dive into a series of celebrity court cases that have kept the world enthralled, from shocking allegations to unexpected outcomes. The Kardashian-Jenner saga. A family feud. The Kardashian-Jenner clan is no stranger to drama, but a legal battle involving Blac Chyna took things to a new level. In 2016, the model and influencer, who was once engaged to Rob Kardashian, accused Kim Kardashian, Kris Jenner, Khloe Kardashian, and Kylie Jenner of defamation and conspiring to cancel her TV show, Rob Chyna. The lawsuit alleged that the famous family had convinced TV executives to axe the show, ruining Chyna's career. The trial, which lasted 9 days in 2022, saw all 4 defendants take the stand. Chyna's lawyer argued that the Kardashian-Jenners had no evidence to support their claims, while their attorney presented the argument that they had reason to believe Chyna had violently attacked Rob. The jury found that the Kardashian-Jenners acted in bad faith, but no damages were awarded, as the show's cancellation was attributed to the couple's breakup. Despite the legal battle, Chyna has since reconciled with Kris, Kylie, and Khloe, and remains on good terms with her ex Rob. Chateau Miraval, a vineyard dispute. The divorce between Hollywood power couple Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt was a lengthy and complex affair, but the legal woes didn't end there. The former couple's battle over their French home, Chateau Miraval, and its vineyard and winery has been dubbed the War of the Rosé. The dispute highlights the challenges of going into business with a spouse, especially when the business is created during the marriage without a prenuptial agreement. In 2021, Angelina sold her 50% stake in the winery to Tenute del Mondo, a move that Brad claimed violated a prior agreement requiring mutual consent. Angelina countersued, arguing that she was shut out of the wine business and had planned to sell her stake to Brad. The legal battle continues, with the finer details of shared ownership yet to be explored by the courts. Depp-Heard, a high-profile defamation case. The trial between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, dubbed the trial by TikTok, became a viral sensation with clips and dramatic moments from the courtroom. The case began when Amber wrote an op-ed in the Washington Post in 2018, describing her experience of surviving domestic abuse without naming Johnny. He then sued her for defamation, seeking $50 million in damages and claiming that Amber was the perpetrator, not the victim. The case gained international attention, with a ruling against Johnny in the UK after he sued a newspaper for calling him a wife-beater. The trial in Virginia saw both celebrities take the stand, with Amber's team arguing for free speech, and Johnny's team presenting evidence of his alleged abuse. The jury found in Johnny's favor, awarding him $15 million in damages, while Amber received $2 million in her counterclaim. The case sparked intense public debate and highlighted the complexities of high-profile defamation cases. Minaj vs. Chapman, a musical dispute. In 2018, Tracy Chapman filed a lawsuit against Nicki Minaj, claiming that her song, Sorry, used lyrics and melody from Chapman's 1988 hit, Baby Can I Hold You. Nicki's team had requested to interpolate the song, but Tracy believed the recording had already taken place. The case was settled out of court, with Nicki paying $450,000 to Tracy, highlighting the importance of respecting intellectual property rights in the music industry. Cage vs. Turner, a battle of words. The on-screen romance between Nicolas Cage and Kathleen Turner in Peggy Sue Got Married didn't translate into a real-life friendship. Turner's autobiography included allegations against Cage, claiming he had been arrested for drunk driving and stealing a dog. Cage successfully sued Turner for defamation, receiving an apology and damages, while the publishers of the book accepted the allegations were untrue and made a donation to charity. Radiohead vs. Del Rey. A musical similarity. Radiohead filed a lawsuit against Lana Del Rey, claiming that her song Get Free copied their iconic hit Creep. The case sparked public debate about musical similarities and intellectual property rights. Del Rey's team argued that there are only so many notes and chords, making it challenging to be completely unique. Interestingly, Radiohead had faced similar claims that Creep borrowed from another song. The case was eventually settled, with Del Rey agreeing to credit Radiohead as co-writers and pay a portion of the royalties. Vardy versus Rooney, the Wagatha Christie libel trial. The Wagatha Christie lawsuit between Rebecca Vardy and Colleen Rooney, wives of famous footballers, captivated the public. In 2019, Rooney posted on Twitter, accusing Vardy of leaking stories about her to the press. Vardy sued Rooney for libel, claiming the allegations were untrue and seeking damages. The trial in 2022 saw both parties receive intense media attention, with Vardy's evidence found to be inconsistent and implausible. The court was told that Vardy's laptop had crashed, and her assistant's phone was dropped into the North Sea, losing potentially relevant messages. Vardy's case failed, and she was ordered to pay a significant portion of Rooney's legal costs. These celebrity court cases showcase the complexities of fame, from business disputes to defamation claims. But here's where it gets controversial. Do these cases reflect a legal system that favors the rich and famous? Or are they simply a result of the intense public scrutiny that comes with celebrity status? The debate continues, and the public remains captivated by the drama of A-list arguments in the courtroom. What's your take on these celebrity legal battles? Do you think the outcomes were fair, or is there more to the story?